We have to go!
I can't leave!
I'm sorry to say this, but the shop is done!
No! This is my father's whole life! I'm not going anywhere! I have to open that up.
No! The water will come in and you'll be snuffed out.
But you're evaporating. I don't know what to do.
It's okay.
No, it's not okay.
Amber, I have no regrets. You gave me something people search for their whole lives.
But I can't exist in a world without you. I'm sorry I didn't say it before. I love you, Reed.